guys, this is Balusha. Welcome you all in education and information. In this video, we learn about important writing skill interview questions. This is important for class 9, 10, 11 and 12. More specifically, very important for board exam. Here, we learn about what is interview questions, format of interview questions, marking scheme, one live solved example, practice examples to be done at home, and yes, a general question set of interview questions you can write as a reply, write as an answer to any type of question. Interview questions mean a set of structured, formally asked question to particular person. Writing skill section interview question Maharashtra State Board for Standard 11 and very important for board exam Standard 12. Let's begin with marking scheme. This question will be asked in writing skill section for 4 marks, and bifurcation of marks are like this: appropriate framing of question 2 marks, language and style 1 marks, overall impression for 1 marks, and total marks are 4. Inter-aspect to be covered while asking interview question. In introduction part, welcoming, greeting, introduction of the guest, occasion. In opening question, describe yourself, your inspiration, coach, guide, mentor. In main body of the question, awards, achievements, setback, family support. In concluding questions, future plans, message for youth, and summing up concluding statement expressing gratitude. By using this format, prepare a list of interview questions to conduct interview for social worker. And this question is for 4 marks, and we learn how to write answer for this question. In first part itself, we should welcome to the person to whom we are going to take interview. Good morning, sir. I am very glad to meet you. I want to ask you some questions. Please share your experience with us. And let's begin numbering of the questions which you are going to ask to the social worker. 1. Why have you selected a career in social work? 2. How is your previous experience applicable to the work you do here? 3rd one. How does culture impact our work? 4. What do you hope to accomplish as a social worker? 5. What qualities are required to be a good social worker? 6. What are your experiences while working in the remote area? 7. What is your opinion about taking entry in politics? 8. What are your measures to make a difference with the poor? 9. What are the frustrations and challenges of working in this field? And 10. What is your message to youngster of our country? And this 10 question is general question you can ask to anyone. And these are the last 2 lines. We should conclude with this. Thanks for giving your valuable time. All the best for your future plans. Dear friends, we will see now general question can be asked to anyone in the examination, but how will be question asked in exam? Now see, start now. Standard 12 interview questions. These are the set of questions you can ask to any person: social worker, superstar, farmer, anyone you can ask cricketer, such a kind of question, you will get the marks. But while getting out of marks, you should ask the relevant question. Relevant question, I mean to say, suppose you are asking the question to the cricketer. Here you need to ask what are your feelings when you won the first World Cup, this kind of question, whatever. So relevant question you need to ask. These are the general question you can ask to anyone and you can get the marks. See, let's start. Ma'am, welcome in this interview session. What is turning point of your life? How did you come into this field? What are the challenges ahead of you? How did you keep motivated yourself? 5. Will you share with us your childhood memory related to your career? What are your future plans? How did your family support you in the journey? Who is your inspiration? How do you manage the time for your family? Which is the memorial moment of your life? And the last one, what message would you like to give us? Dear friend, these are the general questions. Here are practice example. You can solve it in your English notebook. Question 1. Imagine that you are going to have an interview with musician artists from your area. Prepare a set of 8 to 10 questions that you like to ask. Question 2. Frame questions that you would like to ask your favorite sportsman, focusing on his successful life. Dear friends, I hope you understand this part. Try to solve and write down in your English notes. Here are a few tips to get out of marks in writing skill section interview question. First, we should ask only formal question, not informal question like hello sir, how are you, what is your name, what is your favorite food. No, this kind of question we not supposed to ask, because we know that we are going to take interview of a very prestigious, well-known, famous person. So this question should not be asked. Secondly, you ask a relevant question. At least 2-3 relevant questions should be there. In the last part of video, I have given a set of general question. But apart from this, you should add 2-3 relevant question which to be related to his work, related to his profession, related to his field. For example, your question can be asked from 8 to 10 interview questions. Supposed to be asked to the cricketer. Here you should ask him best shot about what he's feeling about the when he won the World Cup or whatever related to his work. You need to ask. Third, we should ask only formal question, not informal. And fourth, which is very important, this is not mistake done by everyone. This is for maybe few students are doing. They are writing questions with reply. No, my dear friend, here we need to just ask the questions. Okay, here we are not doing the dialogue writing. Here only we need to write a question. I hope just follow these few steps and watch the video till then. You will get the good marks out of marks in the examination. All the best and thank you.